Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is a great video because today was what? A payout day. Okay, so it was a payday. Yeah, so after a March was like a crazy month, I could survive with my account, and today was a clean trade. So I am now with 4 win streaks using my Nasdaq strategy. And with the win streaks, I could recover from the drawdown. And today I am here to request a payout. So I made a payout with Maven, as you can see, was 2:54 p.m. my time in Portugal, and was approved like 6 minutes after. Maven pays like so fast, okay? And I requested to my crypto wallet, so yeah. Now let's go to the mount, my mount. Let me just click here. And as you can see here, the mount is going very well, yeah. 2 losses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins. So it's going very well. And this week, guys, like winning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So let's see tomorrow. But it's going very well. Today the price was like in the all-time highs, but I could like caught like a good sell on it, like a pullback. So it's like sufficient for me to catch my 30 pips. Now let's go to the breakdown of the trade. This was my trade that made me a payout today. And if I remove all the draws, let me take the sessions off too. Okay. Now we go to the 4-hour. If I put my indicator, you can find this indicator if you join my Discord, okay? I put the link to my Discord group and community, and the strategy, like step by step, if you want to learn it, is on my link of the description, okay? So you go there, is on Game Roads platform. It's very easy to join, and yeah, you can see you will like receive this indicator that mark the 4 hours for you, as you can see. Yeah. So what we have here, we have the 4-hour here because it's a bullish and a bearish candle, okay? And my support was here. So I have like a clean traffic for sales. And of course, I don't have anything above because we are again on all-time highs. But yeah, many guys think, okay, the price is so bullish, how you can sell? Because look at this. What we have here, we have our support, resistance, okay, bullish, bearish, price was here. And look the rejection here with this 4-hour candle was crazy, okay? So was like a rejection, so price make a resistance, the next candle create a top wick and just melted during 4 hours, okay? So now I have my zone here. Let's go to the 5 minutes. And on the 5 minutes, I need to mark my 5 a.m. because it's my max time to look for zones. And 2:30 is my entry time frame. Let me change this to New York to be more general. So it's midnight is my max to look for to the left. And what I have here, 9:30 open. I don't have zones for buys, okay, just sells. Buy just above the 4-hour zone. And for sales, I have here like this one. I have this one, nothing more, okay? And 9:30 closed right below this one. The closure was a good size below, yeah, it's not like that huge, but yeah. And I put my sell limit here on the retest, 30 pips I sell, 30 pips TP. Very simple strategy. I do this every single day, no matter if it's a loss or win, it's just repeat the system. Here I don't have any buy zones. Why? Because this candle closed above all the resistances, okay? And I don't use zones that are like break before the New York Open. And this one here is like too close to the 4 hours, so not enough room for the TP for buys. So instead of buying, I just took my sell here, and as you can see, price after my TP rejected this zone again, made a pullback to entry again, and just melted after. Okay. After that, price just continued to fly now to make a new all-time highs. But yeah, at least I caught my 30 pips today. I made my payout. Now I have again initial balance, so anything I do again, so let me see, for example, if I go to calendar, my next payout is day 30 of this month, so let's see if I can make another payout. I hope will be a bigger one, because this one came from a drawdown, so for me to have like a next goal, to know, okay, the next date for the payout is this day. So I requested, and now I know what is the next goal. Okay, so yeah, I have a rule of if I have profit, I don't trade the day before and the day of the payout, just to secure my payout. But yeah, guys, very nice month. I hope we are half of the month now. I hope the next half will be very good like this one. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. If you have interest in join my Discord or to trade with my community, or imagine you don't want to trade with anyone, just trade alone, but at least you want to know like the full strategy step by step. I made a course in English and Portuguese. So if you are Portuguese, Brazilian, African, so you can basically buy the course in Portuguese, because I made it last week. And yeah, guys, and you have the course in English, of course. So the links is in my description. Comment if you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, guys, this is a video just for you guys to see. This here, I'm just like every month I'm doing like payouts. Okay, January, February, I made like 2 payouts in February. I did one in March, right before the bad price action, and now we are in the half of April. I made another one. So yeah, this strategy is very good.